One of the best purchases for my home was this Starval small lightweight leaf blower. With 20 volts of power, it does just enough to get in the small spaces of your home or around your yard. I love that it has two different settings and also two detachable parts, which allows for me to get in little small areas or a larger area. It comes with two batteries and a charging cord, and everything is very easy to disassemble and reassemble and to hook up. One of the major points of this was the fact that it is easy to disassemble and also easy to store. With it being so easy to store and kind of small, it still has really a great amount of power to do everything that you absolutely need to get done. I love being able to clear off my porch really quickly, but then disassembling it and putting it right back in my garage and not taking up a large amount of space.